viewers, and welcome back to the Self-Made Auto Channel. It is a 1999 Chevrolet S-10, or GMC Sonoma rather. The horn doesn't work. Needs to have that to pass inspection, and the guy wanted to check it out himself. He did. He said the fuse is good, the relay is good, the horns are good. Doesn't know why it doesn't work. Thinks it might be in the steering wheel area. So he brought it here. We're gonna have to look. So where do we begin? Well, at the beginning, and I begin with a wiring diagram. So I have one. Relatively simple horn circuit. Here's our horns left and a right. Both of them ground, G111, G112. They come up through a relay. Relay gets fed off 175 amp mega fuse. I can't do that. Oh, okay, there's the other horn fuse. Okay, 15 amp. Just want to make sure. And then in order to activate the relay, it goes through the horn switch in the column, which is part of the clock spring. So when that grounds, turns the relay on, contact closes, power comes down and through the fuse, toots the horns. Easiest thing to get to, I think the relay is probably in here. So we're gonna have a look, because if we can bypass the relay, make the horns blow, then we know everything from here forward is good. We don't have to look at any of that. You know, we know the fuse is good and all that stuff. And then we can go, you know, test the control side of the relay. So let's see if it lives under here first and foremost. He did say the relay was good. Horn. Ah, he's even got a little white pink mark on it. That's pretty handy. So we'll pull that out. Let me go get a little relay jumper. This just gives us a little extension on it so we can test it up here in the open. Up in the wild. We got the right one? Wrong hole, fella. Don't make that mistake twice. Let's get us a ground here. Brake lines usually work pretty well. Just gonna use our test light. That works. So let's see. This should be hot at all times, and we should have a couple of these that have power. Whoa! Gosh, that scared the jeekers out of me. So there we go. We got two that have power. That's obviously the control side. And then this would be the wire, this one here would be the wire going to the horn. So, power on that side of the relay. So power on the load side, power on the control side. This is the control wire. So we'll ground that one. And then this would be the load going to the fan, or horn. Easiest way to demonstrate that, even though we know it works. Let's say the horn didn't blow. We want to know if the relay worked. We'll get rid of these. So this test light here, this one should light up when we activate the horn. See it? You see it? Okay, that's probably enough. That's enough fill in there, fella. We're pretty much done. So basically, at this point, we need to go inside the vehicle. We know our relay is good. We know our fuse is good. We know the fuse power feeding the relay is good. Everything's good from here to the horns. Sounds nice and horny when we push it. And then we just need to see where this control wire. So it's gonna be this wire here. We're gonna be on the ground side. So what we've eliminated, or what we've come down to, we could have a bad ground in the steering column, pretty unlikely, but failed switch, bad ground, broken wire, broken clock spring. Let's see where the C211 is. So I found connector C211, and we are in pin number A11. So it's this big honky connector right here. Pretty common column connector on Chevrolets. And A11. Get a flashlight over here. Whoa, there we go. Gotta hang on to you fellas down here. We're gonna get a little close for a minute. Should be this black one right here. And I am grounded with my test light to the steering column, so this should answer a couple questions. Get in the hole. Whoa! Alright, well, we know she toots, so that means the wire from there all the way out to there, that's under the hood, is good. pain in the hoo-ha. Pick, it's your best friend. My test light. Move our airbag. Just kind of, we don't even have to unplug it. Just kind of set her to the side gingerly. This is our horn wire. I think these push in and quarter turn. I think. Right? There she goes. Here's our horn button. You know, so when you push the horn down, grounds against the steering wheel, which is grounded through the column. Currently, get it? I'm grounded at the bottom of the column. We're going to go right in the hole. Oh, little fella, did not expect to hear that. Alright guys, it just took a little turn of events. Good thing we did not just order a clock spring for this like I was gonna. Just to have on hand. I did not expect to see that. Let's get this snap back in there. It was just a crappy connection. I'll be a son of a monkey. Our freaking steering wheel's not grounded. So if we go like this, it should blow. That should blow the horn, right? Am I stupid? Is this wire no good? What the frig am I missing? Is this thing not making connection? Both wires can't be broke. That looks nice and clean down in the hole. I think this feels kind of slippery. Let me get some memory cloth. We'll scuff it up a little bit. See if we're just got crappy connection. It's like cleaning a set of points an old pop-pop struck. Give me a matchbook, a couple Lucky Strikes, some PBR, some sandpaper. Let's see. Did not see that coming. That's why we test, don't guess, I guess, right? Ah, look at that. Fixed. Piece of sandpaper. Oh, it never funked that. In regards to pulling the airbag, let me get you over here. We got these little hookers right here on the back of the airbag, and they're held in with them little spring retainers, one there and one there. And you gotta give it the classic reach around right back in here with a screwdriver, and you flick that retainer towards the center of the column. Then you pop out half the airbag. That makes sense. It's a pain in the hoo-ha to do with a screwdriver. I've got that big 90-degree pick that I like. And then you put it together. You lean way back in the seat in case it blows. And then you click it back in. And that's it. Yeah. Hooray. There you have it, folks. Fixing the horn on your Chevrolet S-10, GMC Sonoma, Blazer, Bravada, whatever else has this platform. Pretty easy. We didn't end up unnecessarily putting in a clock spring, and come to find out, like, we're wrong. We fixed this with a piece of 120 grit from Napper, not a sponsor. And a little bit of logical thinking and just working our way backwards through the circuit and only tearing apart one thing in the end, which happened to be that. And that was it. I'm gonna keep moving. You move on down there and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, question, criticism, concern, or anything else you might have, even a funny joke. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.